Hello and good morning. Welcome back. Today is the 17th of February 2022. And I'm your host, Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. We are logged in once again for the market opening trade in the DAX here this morning. So I'm going to switch over to my screen, and as you can see, we've got the DAX chart open. We've got the SwissBox here in the top right-hand corner. For those of you who are familiar with it, great. For those of you who are not, we're going to turn on the box lines, and here we see we have two lines appear in the chart, a green line and a red line. These are representing two pending orders, the green one being a buy stop and the red one being a sell stop pending order. Here in the middle, we see 12.5, so that's representing 12.5 points in the market between the two pending orders. Ultimately, what we want to do is we want to trap the market within this small range and wait for any breakout. So it's very important that we trade times such as the market opening, big news announcements, so on and so forth. So what I will do is I'm going to try and trap the market here, as this is what we call a C box. As you can see, the market has just come out. Once I press the entry on, we get that sort of yellow tinge in the middle of the box. And yeah, that's now a pending trap. So once the market has now fallen into the trap, we have the two pending orders set. And now it's just a case where we're waiting for the market to make its move. We've got 3 minutes until the opening. As soon as it makes an exit of this trap, up or down, it's going to trigger a buy or a sell. At that moment, what will happen is it will trigger the buy and our take profit will appear in the chart as a blue line. That blue line is predetermined, so we already have in our SwissBox the settings for what we want to make. So there it is. There's the blue line. That's our take profit. And how much that take profit is. So here we've got €6.59 on this trade alone. So that is all done due to percentages. So here my percentage target is 0.076%. And yeah, 0.076% of my account balance, which is currently €9,017, is yeah, that's €6.59. Ultimately, my daily target is going to be 0.3% per day. Usually it's yeah, more than achievable. We're able to achieve a little bit more. However, 4 trades a day allows me to reach that target. So 4 trades with the 0.076% allows me to hit the target of 0.3% a day. So here we have a good opportunity coming up. So as the market comes back down, so we've got our first trade into a buy. If the market's now going to come past our red line, what's going to happen is it's going to activate the sell trade in the opposite direction. And there we see the blue line jumps from the top to the bottom and we have a new target. Now we didn't close the first trade. We still have the first trade open, but now we have 2 trades. We have 1 buy and 1 sell. The sell in this instance is a little bit bigger than the buy. But that's in order for us to be able to hit our required take profit or our desired take profit within the required distance. So here we have 25 points until our take profit always. So the SwissBox needs to calculate how big does this trade need to be in order to cancel out the minus of the first trade and also end up with a leftover of our target profit by the time we reach that 25-point target. Very, very complicated stuff. So here we've got 30 seconds now until the opening. Hopefully we'll get a good, we've got a big gap this morning. So there we can see here 150-point gap, and then as soon the first 5 minutes of this market was already 83 points. So looking to see a nice opening indeed. Maybe we can even start just pushing these stop losses a bit further, just in case that we build it up into the 4th and 5th trade. We can get an extension on those trades themselves. So I would want to put it up towards here to a gap close maybe, but we can also unlock that and we can take it out and we can manually close it by hitting this red button once we unlock in the SwissBox, like so. So now they're locked again, and there we go. So just to take a look at some of the others that we executed this morning. Okay, that was that one in Dow Jones. We still haven't executed the one here in the FTSE. There now we've just executed the one in the FTSE, so that's an activated trap. And here, okay. So we would have been straight out of this one in the FTSE. So I think we'll just get a manual close on this once it reaches above this dotted line. So we're in the profit at the moment. And as soon as it peaks over the top, we can get a close on that. Okay, so then we come over to the Vola box and we can see first trade close, €6.92. That's 0.08% locked in and loaded for this morning. That's the opening trade, 1 minute after the market opening. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back again tomorrow for our market opening trade. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Thank you very much.